If you own a truck, you need to protect the valuable cargo in the back. It's simple, you just need a truck bed cover. Now, the best ones, they don't cave to the elements, they don't falter from heavy wear, they are built like armor. We have them ready, just make sure to use our links to get the latest discount for every product we talk about. Let's get going now, guys! Number 6. Oedro FRP – Fantastic Durability. Durability is basically the main factor when it comes to truck bed covers. That's why this Oedro model stands out. With reinforced fiberglass panels, the FRP cover handles tough challenges with ease. It resists everything. Fiberglass construction gives it an edge over many other options. Covers made from vinyl tend to buckle under pressure over time. This cover can manage heavy loads on top without any bends. Whether you want to haul construction supplies or protect tools, it holds up like a champ. Those reinforced panels aren't the only reason it's built to last. A secure locking mechanism keeps everything in place, even during long trips on bumpy roads. Many covers in this price range struggle here, with weaker locks that fail after repeated use. That's not the case with this one, noticeable especially when traveling at highway speeds. Beyond durability, the installation process is easy to understand. Thanks to a no-drill system, anyone can get it installed quickly without messing with tools. Extra touches like embedded clamps and a helpful nylon strap show the thought put into functionality. Other products often skip these details, leaving truck owners to improvise solutions. The cover also fits precisely on specific truck models, avoiding the headaches caused by ill-fitting designs. A complementary LED light adds a practical bonus for nighttime visibility too. Thumbs up, that's for sure. Number 5. Tyger Auto T3 – Excellent value. We now move to the high-value domain with this Tyger Auto model. It has a budget-friendly price tag, sure, but this model cuts no corners. The T3 uses heavy-duty, dual-coated vinyl to shield your cargo from weather and debris. Vinyl of this quality is usually found on more expensive covers. Coupled with durable aluminum frames and stainless steel clamps, the T3 delivers a secure fit that survives tough conditions. Its design keeps water out better than many budget options that often cut corners on sealing. Compared to industry averages, the T3's durability punches well above its weight. The trifold design adds convenience, as it allows you to adjust the coverage based on your needs. You can unfold it fully for complete protection, or you can fold it down to haul larger items. Lightweight construction adds to its practicality, so installation is simpler than with heavier alternatives. The T3 also offers exceptional compatibility. It fits most popular truck models and doesn't need any drilling, saving users time and avoiding potential damage. Additional details like a lifetime limited warranty further boost its appeal. While more advanced covers may include automated features, the T3 balances affordability and functionality in a way few others manage. For the listed price, you just can't beat this one. Number 4. Gator Recoil – Best for Ram 1500. Truck bed covers should do more than look good. They need to perform well in every scenario. Whether protecting tools from rain or securing cargo on a long drive, the right cover adds value. That's where the Gator Recoil excels. Designed for Ram 1500 models from 2009 to 2024, it fits the 5'7" bed perfectly. Unlike many covers that need adjustments during installation, this one fits like it was made for your truck straight out of the box. Made with sturdy aluminum slats, the cover has a matte black powder coat that resists everything. This durable material keeps the bed safe and holds up against years of hard use. Many alternative covers lack this level of durability, only to show their wear within months. If you want something that lasts, this product stands apart. When bad weather rolls in, the Gator Recoil helps keep your bed and its contents dry. Hinge seals prevent leaks and block debris from getting in. Cheaper options often fail in this area, leading to soggy gear. This cover holds up even during harsh weather, giving peace of mind that your cargo will stay protected. Setup couldn't be easier. Without tools or drilling, you can secure the cover to the bed in about half an hour using simple clamps. Some bed covers require a more complex installation process, leaving you frustrated before even using them. That's not the case here. Thanks to the manual retractable system, it's very easy to open the cover. A quick release handle on the driver's side gives access to the bed with minimal effort. Several locking positions along the bed rails give you flexibility for carrying items of various sizes. The low-profile design matches the bold appearance of the Ram 1500, enhancing its overall look without being flashy. Functionality meets style here. We like it a lot. Number 3. RealTruck Backflip MX4, best for Ford owners. Ford truck owners expect the best. And yes, they get it with the RealTruck Backflip MX4. This thing checks all the right boxes in our book. The aluminum panels on this cover are tough, locking into place automatically once the tailgate is shut. This feature protects your cargo and gives you confidence when parking in less secure areas. A matte finish coats the panels, helping them resist scratches and UV damage. Owners who want their truck to look sharp for years will appreciate how well this cover handles harsh conditions. All-weather protection won't be an issue here. Rubber seals and built-in drain tubes prevent water from dripping into the bed, unlike more basic covers that may leave your gear wet during storms. You also gain full access to the bed without blocking the third brake light, which adds convenience when carrying oversized or irregular items. Installation doesn't involve drills or complex tools. The clamp system attaches securely in a short amount of time, which is a major plus for busy Ford drivers. This stands out in comparison to some premium covers that require hours of assembly. The RealTruck Backflip MX4 isn't just reliable, it's easy to work with too. On the durability front, this cover supports over 400 pounds of evenly spread weight. If you need to stack items on top, the MX4 can handle it while giving you peace of mind. Several competitors struggle to provide this level of strength, especially at a similar price point. The design itself is sleek and low profile. It complements the bold look of Ford trucks in style. We know that many of the bulkier covers might disrupt your truck's aesthetics, but the MX4 blends into the vehicle's overall design perfectly. Thumbs up! Number 2. Syneticusa ER, best for remote control. All you folks who look for an option with advanced features should consider a model that integrates modern technology. A model like the new Syneticusa ER that offers remote control functionality. You get a new level of ease that competitors often fail to match. With the press of a button, you can lock or unlock the cover at any position. You adapt effortlessly to different sizes of cargo. Designed to fit the 2022 to 2025 Tundra models with the factory-installed Cargo Track system, it provides a tailored fit. This precise compatibility eliminates the frustration of gaps or poor sealing. Many covers claim to fit like a glove, but only a few truly meet that standard. Dust and waterproof seals safeguard your truck bed against tough conditions. For anyone living in areas prone to heavy rain or dirt roads, the integrated seals offer peace of mind. Drainage tubes channel water out efficiently, which prevents the pools that some lower-end covers can leave behind. You can load up tools for work. You can gear for a weekend trip. This cover keeps it all dry and clean. T-slot side rails are included as part of the design to expand your cargo possibilities. They accommodate accessories. We like them a lot. For comparison, standard covers often lack such flexibility. They force you to choose between storage options, which is not cool. Now, the construction itself impresses with heavyweight aluminum panels that can support up to 500 pounds. Evenly distributed, this load capacity brings reliability for heavy-duty use. Durable materials such as this set the Syneticusa ER apart from typical lightweight models that might struggle under similar conditions. Visually, the low-profile design blends seamlessly with the truck's body. UV resistance preserves its sleek appearance over time by protecting against fading or cracking caused by harsh sunlight. Good stuff! Number 1. RealTruck Retrax Pro MX, best overall. Truck owners expect a bed cover to provide protection, style, and practicality. A good option supports daily needs while standing up to tough conditions. The RealTruck Retrax Pro MX meets all these expectations and delivers features that make sense for everyday use. This retractable cover uses industrial-strength aluminum that supports up to 500 pounds when weight is distributed evenly. For heavy tools or outdoor equipment, this cover stands out. Many models in the same category can't manage this load level, which makes the Retrax Pro MX a solid choice for heavy tasks. Protection against weather adds peace of mind. A tight seal keeps rain and debris from reaching the truck bed. Whether traveling through mud, rainstorms, or dusty trails, this cover holds up to protect the cargo. Smooth tracks prevent jams and make operation simple, performing well across different conditions. The matte finish on its aluminum panels combines style and durability. Scratches and UV rays pose no problem, keeping the cover and your truck looking polished. While many other models often show wear after months of sunlight exposure, this model retains its sharp appearance. Ease of access to the truck bed improves utility too. The design allows you to lock the cover in place at any position along the rails. This flexibility works well for items of various sizes. You can maintain partial coverage for smaller items with enough space for taller gear. The flush-mounted latch makes operations quick and simple, which eliminates unnecessary effort. The setup doesn't involve complicated steps. A clamp-on system keeps installation straightforward without requiring additional tools. Unlike certain models that demand adjustments or custom fittings, the Retrax Pro MX saves time. The low-profile structure doesn't just look great, it offers functional advantages. Fitting flush with the truck bed, it reduces drag, which improves fuel efficiency. That's a benefit many truck owners look for but don't always find in covers with comparable designs. You wanted the best, you got it. That would be all for today, guys. We hope this helped. And if it did, how about liking the video and subscribing to the channel? Have a good one and keep it valid.